If you ever visit St Giles in the Fields Church, take a look to the side and you will see, just before the alley that leads to the stage door of the Phoenix Theatre, a lovely red brick building with an unusual two-storey green door. And if you look up at the gable end, you will see, faintly painted and time-worn, the words Elms Leicester's Painting Rooms and Stores. So what's the reason for the huge doors? Well, built in 1903 as a state-of-the-art studio, its purpose was the painting and storage of theatre scenery. The doors allowed the huge scenic cloths and backdrops to be brought in and out and transported to whichever theatre required them. But the doors weren't always this high. Earlier pictures showed a much smaller opening, suggesting that as the years went by, the backdrops got bigger. The rooms are still in use today and are Grade 2 listed, having narrowly avoided bombs during the Blitz, which destroyed nearby buildings, making way for the Phoenix Gardens. And in 1992, an attempt by the IRA to set off an explosive device as part of its campaign against the British mainland was foiled. Sadly, the scenery painting has long since moved elsewhere, and Elms Leicester's business collapsed as a result. Since 1984, it has been home to an art gallery and has been used for various music, photo shoots and videos over the years. Unfortunately for our story, Shakin' Stevie's video for his 1980s hit Green Door wasn't one of them.